Hey, Infra, what's happening? We got Chef Boyarbeatz in the house! Hey, yo, we got Necromancer in the house! Infrasound, make some noise for yourselves, right, Tom?
Jesus Christ, that Boyarbeatz! Pav on the control right there. Pav was not having it. Not having it. Chef, you're cooking up something dangerous and it smells good. We all want a bite. Infrasound, let's go!
It's VIRJI, isn't it?
Atmosphere. make some noise for your DJ. You better fucking pull that shit back. It's time. It's fucking time. These blends are unstoppable. No wonder why they call you Chef Boyarbeatz. Equinox, please make some noise for your DJ. Let him hear you scream. dollar bills on the stage, and I need to see a lot of them. Chef, you're a fucking madman. Let's go.
I am big, I am brass, I am rougher than bad, I am tougher than a lion, tougher than
That's what I'm
when
talking
I sit
about.
down for the rhythm, no produce, I can't shut. In the rain, DJ reload for that. I pump it in the dance. So I pump it go in the dance. I pump it with me fish drink, drink food, drink with me fish drink, and then get selecta, 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 I am rock, I am mad, I am independent. I can't open it, tell me nothing, 'cause I get my own track. I am super, aeroplane flying. If an idiot waste my mind, I won't be just and CONTRA. I pump this in the dance. So I pump it go in the dance. So I pump this drink.
Bad boy stuff. Oh, what you doing? That's what I'm talking about, Infrasound. Keep the energy up.
another
Take a
dimension.
breath.
I'll take your brain to another dimension. I'll take your brain to another dimension.
Everybody,
I'll take your brain to
take a
another
deep
dimension.
breath in.
I'll take your brain to another dimension.
Take
Pay
a
close
deep breath
attention.
in.
I'll take your brain to another dimension. I'll take your brain to another dimension. I'll take your brain to another
Get ready
dimension.
for the
I'll take your brain to
insanity
another
once again.
dimension. I'll take your brain to another dimension. Pay close attention. I'll take your
Come on, come on, come on. Let's do it, let's do it.
I'll take your brain to another dimension. I'll take your brain to another dimension. I'll take your brain to another dimension.
Who out here
I'll take your brain
remembers
to another
Prodigy?
dimension. I'll take your brain to another dimension. Pay close attention.
Take a break to another dimension. Place your attention. Place close attention. Dangerous business.
Come again.
Taking us back to the rave. It looks like it calls for another wheel. Do they want it? I think they do. Chef is taking us back to the rave. Are you all with me here? Please make some noise for Chef Boyarbeatz.
Yeah, this one's fat, yeah, this one's naughty.
Naughty.
This one.
A
Yeah, this
big
one's
one.
naughty. This one. My selector, eh. This one. Yeah, this one's naughty. This one. My selector, eh. This one. Yeah, this one's naughty. This one.
My
boy from New York in the Kinesia.
Wickedest nights all about your music.
Ting. Old school pucker in that, big bad wolf, puffer in that. Got a white tee for the summer in that. Splash, add a bit of colour on that. Still, gal them loving all that. Front room, impress the mother in that. Should be like, you got the vibe right now, but nothing like true.
And I got too much style, swag, sauce.
Yo, man, I got too much
style,
swag, sauce. Man, I got too much style,
Let
swag.
me hear you scream.
Old school pucker in that, big bad wolf, puffer in that. Got a white tee for the summer in that. Splash, add a bit of colour on that. Still, gal them loving all that. Front room, impress the mother in that. Should be like, you got the vibes right now, but not be like true.
And I got too much style, swag, sauce.
Yo, man, I got too much
style,
swag,
sauce.
Man, I got too much style, swag, sauce. Man, I got too much style, swag, sauce. Man, I got too much covered in swag, swimming in sauce. Whoa, man, I got too much covered in swag, swimming in sauce. Whoa, man, I got too much covered in swag, swimming in sauce. Whoa, man, I got too much covered in swag, swimming in sauce. Yo, if my head's up snappy, hats over here like end up stappy. Man's got style I can mix up. Or if I want I can matchy. This ain't no basic tracky. Man can't wear something that feels tacky. 1 year later I still feel happy. Run that again like this one's catchy. Monday, black one, Tuesday, blue one, Wednesday, green one, Thursday, red one, Friday, yellow one, Saturday, white one, Sunday. Honestly, wear what you like, hun. Aftershave complimenting the fit, got us thinking out loud. That's a nice one. Smile on my face, yeah, nice one. Too much stroke. Yo, man, I got too much style, swag, sauce. Man, I got too much style, swag, sauce. Man, I got too much style, swag, sauce. Man, I got too much covered in swimming in sauce. Whoa, man, I got too much covered in swimming in sauce. Whoa, man, I got too much covered in swimming in sauce. Whoa, man, I got too much covered in swimming in sauce.
Everybody take a deep breath in right now, while you still can. Take a deep breath before we get reckless.
Right, who's this?
Minutes of terror left. Chef, what do you got cooking up in the pot for us left? If there's any more chances you want to throw dollar bills, this is your time. 5 minutes of terror. of applause for the man, Chef. Let me hear you scream for Chef. Scream, scream, scream.